Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to get WhatsApp verification code through email. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you don't want to receive WhatsApp verification code on your mobile number, you want to get this code through email, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to open your WhatsApp. Click on this three dot in top right side corner, then click on settings. Here you will find first option account. You just need to click on this account. In this you can see email address. Just tap on this email address. Here you need to enter your email address. After entering the email address, then tap on next. You will get a verification code on email address. You just need to enter that code here. You can see this is the email verification what I have received. After entering this verification code, then tap on verify. You can see the verification process is complete. Now whenever you want the verification code on email, you will get a verification code on your email, not on your mobile number. That's it guys. So in this way you can get verification code of WhatsApp on email. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.